Realme has just presented two other cell phones. Now we talk about Realme Narzo 80X and Narzo 80 Pro. This has been in India. Let's start describing the Realme Narzo 80X because it is a budget device with a 6.72-inch screen with full HD resolution, 120 Hz and 680 nits. The processor is the MediaTek Dimensity 6400. It comes with 8 or 12 gigabytes of RAM and 128 gigabytes of storage with expansion up to 2 terabytes via microSD cards. Regarding its cameras, we will discover a 50 megapixel OmniVision rear camera. Additionally, there is a marketing camera specifically designed for portrait capture. For selfies, we will have a 16 megapixel camera. Its battery is 6000 mAh, which stands out because it supports a 45 watt load. The software runs on Realme UI 6.0 based on Android 15. One remarkable feature, similar to many models being released today, is its resistance. It offers IP68 and IP69 certifications. A military Miles TD810H plus side fingerprint reader, Bluetooth 5.3, and some other additional little details. It will be available in sunlit gold and deep ocean colors. The simplest model has an announced Indian price of 13,999 rupees, or roughly $160. Obviously, there is also the more expensive version, although remember that the prices here are not the same as over there. The Narzo 80 Pro goes up a notch with a 6.7-inch Full HD AMOLED display with 4,500 nits, 2,500 Hz of sampling. Touch, so it is intended to be an attractive option for gamers. Its processor is the MediaTek Dimensity 7400. Built in a process of 4 nanometers, remarkably advanced, and this comes in options of 8 or 12 gigabytes of RAM with 128 or 256 gigabytes of storage, which incidentally is UFS 3.1. In the photographic section, we find 50 megapixel camera Sony IMX882. It is very curious to start seeing this sensor more and more in the mid-range and even in the low end, considering this was a sensor that was previously used in the high-end models. The camera is paired with a much simpler 2-megapixel monochrome camera, meaning it only has one camera. It also features a 16-megapixel front camera, and the battery is 6,000 mAh, supporting charging at 80 watts. In this case, we also find stereo sound and support for Wi-Fi Network 6 and Bluetooth version 5.4. Similar to its sibling, it provides me with an excellent level of resistance featuring IP66, IP68, and also IP69 ratings to withstand everything along with military certification. It has a weight of 179 grams and a thickness of 7.55 millimeters. This product will be available in colors such as Racing Green and Speed Silver. The price announced for India, in its most economical version, is 19,999 rupees, which is approximately $230. Now, however, do keep in mind that prices here are not the same as they are over there. In addition, it seems Realme has limited the distribution of this Narzo series exclusively to India. However, in previous years, Narzo models were also available in Mexico and several other countries. Therefore, we are uncertain about Realme's current strategy. As you may know, they have the C series, the namesake series, the Narzo series, and the P series. They also offer the GT series, which includes a Neo variant as well as some X variants. Well, Realme has like 38,000 series with a lot of models, and they keep introducing new models. So we're going to keep waiting to see if this model has a more widespread distribution or not.